welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for more new videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the right products to have that hot girl summer look for the summer. That glowy but not oily look. That ethereal summer makeup look. That's what we're doing today. I went in with the e.l.f. Sun-Touchable Primer. These are all drugstore products and very affordable, so you can look good this summer without breaking the bank. We're going to be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation today. We're going to blend all of that in with this brush. I really like this foundation because it leaves you super glowy with just the right amount of coverage. It's also very lightweight, which is just right for this summer because you don't need to be hot and have a cakey foundation. For concealer, we're going in with the mother of concealers, which is the Camo Concealer by e.l.f. While that's sitting, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. Here. Here. And here. We're going to go ahead and contour that up. There we go, contour is done. Now we're gonna blend in that concealer. Contour is done, concealer is blended in. We are going to spray, this isn't a drugstore product, but everybody needs this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and it blends everything in together. It sets everything together. I don't know how it does it. I don't know the science. It just does. You need it. Don't need a lot. Just 3 spritz is all you need, and everything is set. It gives you that glow. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Halo Glow e.l.f. blush. I'm loving the glow that's happening right now. Everything is set and blended in very well, and we're gonna do this right here. To control that glow so we don't look oily, I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me setting powder. We are very glowy right now and I'm loving it, but for my oily skin girlies, this could anytime turn into oiliness. So to just control a bit of that, we're gonna go in with the powder. Because we used that foundation, we can set the makeup and still maintain that glow. For mascara, we're gonna do Sky High. I'm only gonna do my bottom lashes. For lips, we have the e.l.f. Summer Fridays dupes, and this one is, what shade is this? Yummy Gummy, and we're gonna use that for our lips. It's a really nice mauve. It smells really good and it feels great on the lips. You can use any other shade, you don't have to use this specific one, but I really like this one on my lips. Now, because my blush is not really giving an oomph, I use the Patrick Ta She's Vibrant blush. This is her. Very pink, very pretty, but another really good blush you can use is, it's not really the same shade, but it's a really good blush. I use this every single day. It's the CoverGirl True Blend blush. This is in the shade Hot Frenzy, 344 Hot Frenzy. It's really good. For highlighter, we're already pretty glowy, but just if you, in case you want a little bit more of a glow, you could go in with the Halo Glow highlighter wand. This is, what shade is this? This is Liquid Gold. Very vibrant. It looks really good. She's very bright, So if you want that extra glow, you could go in with that too. I'm already good. I'm great with the glow that I have right now. And yeah, this is basically it for the makeup look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and mwah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.